okay? You need deals in your pipeline. Wrong thing to do. Blast out 1,497 clever marketing emails. Sorry guys, it's the wrong thing to do. You're also working in the wrong department, okay? HubSpot, the marketing emails, not saying anything bad about them. You don't work there. You don't work in marketing, guys. Knock it off. Quit trying to be marketing. You're not, okay? You are not marketing. You're sales. You have individual conversations. You have a lot of individual conversations. Stop sending out frickin' email blasts with marketing stuff. Let marketing do that job. Don't you do that, okay? It doesn't work. It's amazing. You guys are like, I hate all these emails. This sucks. I need to invest in some software to unsubscribe me from all of these accounts. And then simultaneously, the exact same day, you shoot out a bunch of garbage to a bunch of people. Stop it. If it doesn't work for you, it's not going to work for your prospects. Here's what I would rather you do. Right idea. You need deals in your pipeline. I agree with you. Okay? Right thing to do. Identify your ideal prospects and call 25 plus of them. Okay? Here's an example. Raise your hand. Hey Chad, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. I'm the founder of our sales coaching company. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need or your team there at Zillow needs in terms of sales coaching, or even if you just want to bounce an idea off of somebody, deal me in, right? I need friends. I'm out here. I love this stuff. I live and breathe sales. Whatever you need, Chad, my mobile is 720-660-3202. Okay? Do that 20 times a day. You want deals in your pipeline? Do that 20 times a day. How many calls have you guys gotten like that this week? 0. None. How many calls have you guys gotten like that this month? Any? Has anybody gotten a call like that this month? I'm looking at the faces. I don't hear anybody. How many? Raise your hand if you've gotten an email this month. Hey, if I can have 15 minutes of your time, I'd like to walk you through blah, 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 our new dashboard. See? So do the thing that nobody else is doing. Okay? Also, it's the cool and professional thing to do. You guys just don't want to do it because you're lazy. Okay? That logic is the same as the person with the sign at the street. I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad or make people feel bad. I tell my kids it all the time, okay? This is my job to raise skillful human beings. I point those people out to my kids and I'm like, hey kids, see the guy with the sign that says anything helps? Does that seem like an easy job to you? No, Dad. That seems like a sucky job. Yeah, how long is he out there? I don't know, Dad, in perpetuity. I've seen him here the last 3 weeks. What's your point? My point is, it's just easier to figure out how to be a productive member of society when you can and actually have a job and collect a paycheck than standing around with that. It's not the most skillful way to make money. If it was, I'd be doing it. Okay? So if the emails aren't working and they're not skillful, don't do them. If you're like, I don't want to make calls, it's extra work. I get it. I hear you. But what is a lot more work is sitting around twiddling your thumbs, trying to figure out what you're going to tell Tony Gomez because you haven't hit your quarterly numbers. Okay? Make 25 calls. I just gave you an idea with the raise your hand. There's other ones you guys can do out of your Easton University portal. You guys make 25 cold calls a day to cold prospects. You will never worry about your pipeline ever again, period. If you are, you're not making the right calls. You're calling people and going, if I could have 15 minutes of your time, I'd like to walk you through our ad campaign. It's going to save you money, save you time. That's gross. That's a sales pitch. Don't do that. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.